Annotated Bar by Queryon combines bar chart functionality with customizable labels. Bar styles include stacked, side-by-side, and overlapping, also known as bar-in-bar. Overlapping bars help visualize the comparison between two things when one is inherently a part of the other. For example, project budget versus spend. Let's go through the creation of the project budget. First, we'll select our visual, and let's add our fields. Go to Under Format, and it's nice to have all this information here, but we don't need to see the not exceed. So we will remove that here. It would also be nice to call out the importance of the not to exceed. So let's go to Label Formatting and change it. This is looking nice, but let's change the style. Right now we are using fully overlap, but we also have inside staggered, which is a nice repartition to show you where your spend is at and where your budget is at and how we do not want to exceed. This visual tool is really quite flexible. With a little bit of work, you can get a timeline or the melting points of all the elements. All it takes is a bit of effort and some imagination.